of Llama Llama Shapes, an Anna Dewdney book. Llama Llama and Mama are cooking a special dinner. Mama says, "Let's go to the farmer's market." Llama Llama says to Mama, "There are so many shapes here." Llama Llama sees rectangles everywhere. Can you find them? Look at all the fruits and vegetables. Mama needs carrots and grapes. There are squares everywhere. Uh-oh, looks like rain. Good thing Mama brought an umbrella. Do you see all the triangles? The sun is out again. Llama Llama sees a friend. Pass the ball. There are so many circles. Can you find them? Llama Llama's getting hungry. Mama, can I have a cookie? Time for a sweet treat. Do you see all the stars? I'm so proud of you, says Mama. You found all the shapes. Let's go home and make our dinner.